What does your skin want? Rejuvenation, hydration, or strength? What if I say you can have it all with the all-new K.Play Sheet Masks? It's available in 3 fruity flavors: Mandarin, which is high in vitamin C and gonna help you with brightening; Acai Berry, which is high in antioxidants and gonna slow down the aging process; and lastly, Lychee, which has vitamin B3, and this is gonna help boost hydration in your skin. It's unbelievably easy to apply. You just cleanse and tone your face properly before using the mask. Then align the mask using the eye and nose cutout as a guide, and then spread it across your face. Leave the mask on for 20 to 30 minutes and relax. Take the mask off and gently pat in any of the excess serum left onto your face and neck. So to say hello to glowing skin, go grab your K.Play Sheet Masks from the MyGlamm app and website.